Sarah McDonald is ensuring that anything her son eats at a daycare comes from her own kitchen.
It's traumatizing to have a child poisoned and get E. coli.
Her 4-year-old spent 3 days in hospital last fall, the victim of an E. coli outbreak that struck 11 Calgary daycare centers, all served by one central kitchen.
I don't have faith in the system anymore.
The outbreak sickened hundreds of people, mostly children. Now an internal report from the province's health authority covering the periods of the outbreak sheds light on the food inspection system in daycares. It was obtained through a Freedom of Information request from CBC News. It shows the province failed to inspect 354 of Alberta's licensed daycares that serve food to children for more than 1 year. And of those inspected in 2023, 44% were found not compliant. Over the 2-year review, inspectors recorded 966 critical violations in the province's 1,700 daycares that were inspected. In some cases, critical issues like food storage and temperatures were not corrected for weeks.
That actually can be a risk to the clients, which is, the clients in daycare center are very young.
Alberta's health minister, Adrienne LaGrange, finds the report concerning. She says the inspection system needs teeth.
If someone is a bad actor, then they have to suffer the consequences. And if those consequences are just a slap on the wrist, that doesn't do anything.
I want to know what is going to change. I want to know what the consequences are for these businesses, because I know that my son has paid a very high price.
But there's still no word on what, if anything, will change. The health minister says she's waiting to see the recommendations from a task force which is looking into last fall's E. coli outbreak in Calgary. It is expected to report by the end of June. The minister says all options are on the table. Terry Reith, CBC News, Edmonton.